Okay, this is a little tutorial on how to create an alpha mask from a photo of a drawing on paper. Get a perfect alpha mask. Create a new layer, fill it with black, G, create an alpha mask from that layer, on that layer. Shut that layer off for a second. Come back to your original drawing, Control A, copy. Enter the layer mask on the black layer, Alt click, Control V, deselect, Control D. Make sure the levels are adjusted first, Control L. Try to get, all those grays down to all those neutral grays down to a white, and then beef up the blacks a little bit.